Hope you guys are hungry.
In this video, I'm going to show you how I make chicken vegetable soup, otherwise known as refrigerator surprise. Start by dicing up an onion, then a couple ribs of celery. Throw in a couple of carrots, then you're on your way. The beauty of this soup is that you can use any vegetables you have on hand. Throw in some diced bell pepper. Over medium-low heat, add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil to your pan. Sauté the vegetables until they are tender. Definitely don't forget your hot seeds. At this point, go ahead and add your seasonings: black pepper, Italian seasoning, and some adobo. Slice up some green cabbage. Starting with fresh thyme. How about some fresh sage? Bay leaf. I'm even going to slap in some chervil. Throw in your herbs. Diced potato. Diced tomato. Fresh garlic. Throw in some broccoli while you're at it. Once the tomatoes have been cooked most of the way through, go ahead and add the broth and water. Hey, how about some frozen green beans? This bouillon powder is the best. It's kind of hard to find in stores. It is tomato chicken flavor. Add whatever beans you got. Yes, canned chicken. That's what makes this soup so easy to make. Add the beans and the powdered bouillon. You can use salt or bouillon. I did a little bit of both. The cubes give it a stronger chicken flavor. Fresh Italian flat leaf parsley. Bring it up to a simmer and add the kale. Add a lot of kale. Kale is so good for you. Add the chicken, give it a stir, simmer it for 10 minutes, and you're good to go. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe below.
Hope you guys are hungry.
Just breathing, 'cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side. feeling alive. Nothing